Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Navigator Private Trading Room. Today is October 22nd, 2019. Let's take a quick look on the market to see where we are heading to right now. So overnight, the market is trying to push it back up. As you can see, the market is trying to go into the sell zone here. So this is the third time that we're going to test this area to see that we'll be able to punch through it or we will be go back down again. But right now the bull is still there, so we will stick with the bull. Okay, so to see how far they can go. Okay, so right now it's way one, way two. We still on the way three here. So when soon we finish wave number three, we will go back down before we can head it higher. Okay, so that is a bigger direction for the shorter time frame. As you can see that the market did overnight. Yesterday market climbed back up. Okay, so they go back here. They finished it overnight. So right now they are on the way back to the final move. Okay, so let's see how far they can go. This is the target area that we're headed to. But watch out for the top here also. Okay, so but definitely right now they try to push it to test the high here. Okay, to complete this move here. But a lot of resistance up here, so we have to be monitored carefully to see how they going to do it when they get into this area. Okay, so that for the SP 500 overall market is still bullish, so stick with the bull, but we're in the final move. We're in week five, so watch out for that. For the Dow is higher fall behind. Okay, so but they not participate. That's the thing that worry me because they go back here and the dark trend line still here. So we don't know at the top on the way three already done here or they still try to go back up and test the dark trend line here and then and go back down. So have to be careful for the Dow. The Dow is kind of weaker compared to SP 500 for some reason. Okay, but right now you focus on the Dow trend line here. I think that they will try to put it back there first because it's a lot of resistance here. So this right here have to be watch out. Okay, if you take for the Dow and for the NQ, NQ is pretty strong too. NQ is try to it's weaker than SP 500, but it's still heading. Okay, they break out the Dow trend line. They pull back to the support, and now they head to the sell zone again. So let's see this time they be able to get through it or they get stuck again. Okay, so right now we are still on the way up. Okay, so right now it's the last move. Okay, for this one. So monitor it. All right, so that's for the NQ. For the Russell 2000, Russell is halfway to, it's still far away from the sell zone. So overnight they pull back down. So in the short term, the Russell is uh, okay. Try to pull it back up, pull back down, pull back up. So they stuck in this area here. So we're going to see if they break out here, they can get it one more shot up here. Okay. So if the daily check they hold up, they to try to climb back up and test this area here. So which is ending here on the 5 cycle up from the bottom here. Okay, so we are very close to that area. We have to be a little bit careful on the upside. Okay, take the profit whenever you can. All right, so that's for the RTY. For the oil. Oil, again, every time they go back to the buy zone and then they bow and they try to head up again if they're able to get out of this area here. Okay, and then they will put it back up. Seems like the oil trouble between this trend and this trend right now. Okay, so in the short term, right now they try to put it back up, so they will head into the sell zone over here. Okay, so that's where the oil is heading to right now. And for the natural gas it try to push it back up again. So they finish the move here, they pull back, they stabilize. If they hold it back here, if they be able to hold it at this level here, so this will be a first cycle up. Okay, second down, check this one out. They will move back up to the top again. Okay, so this is one, this is two, and they're on the way three right now. All right, so that's for the natural gas, and for the gold it try to hang up in here, but technically, like we say every day, the gold they every day they fake breakout, and then in a shorter time frame and weaker time frame they still below downtrend line. If we break this one here, they will get back here, or they will hold up here and go higher. We don't know yet. It depends on the market. Okay, so. Uh, Overall, in the short term, you do see that it still bearish. Okay, so the support is down below here. Let's see that they were able to go here, or did see done here, and then they can revert. Okay, if it's see done here, this will be before, and then they can go higher, and the market go lower. If this one go lower, market will go higher. So that's how you look at them right now to see how people using gold to hedging it. Okay, for SP 500. All right. So that part of the gold, the bond that yesterday we said that if it dropped below, if they hold up the foot tested right here, right now they drop below it, so the momentum is shift on the bond. If the bond is continue to go lower, it's good for the market to go higher. Okay, so yesterday they went below this one here. Should they come back down? We don't know. They try to back to test this line, or they will continue to go lower. Okay, so either way, it's bearish on the bond right now. Okay, so that's for the bond, and for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I think it bottom out. Okay, so right now they try to be the bay here. Okay, if they hold it one here, they break this level here. This is the new way to for the Bitcoin. Okay, in the short term, they try to put it back up. Okay, they may get jack here. Okay, before they can go higher. All right, so that's for the Bitcoin. For the Ethereum, same thing. Ethereum, but they finish the down move. They try to build away. If they get out of the triangle, they will go higher. Okay, for the euro, they finished way number three right now. So they are still okay. We trade back. Okay, so right now let them pull back before they go here and test the sales on here to complete the foot move from the bottom to the top here. Okay, so yet, so if you're long on the euro, you have to be careful because they are on the trade right now before they can go up and finish the five-way move, which is right in here in the sell zone. Okay, so that's how it look like. All right, so I think at this moment that all the market direction for all the indices, bond, oil, gold. Okay, so that's where they head into. So pick the one you like and trade accordingly to what you see. Okay, so but anything in the wave five, you have to be careful because that will the end the move. It can be double top, it can be truncated, it can be go higher. So yet monitor and trade carefully. Okay, see you in the next video.